Updating your billing address on Walmart is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Walmart website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use iSRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Access billing information. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Payment Method or Billing Information. Click on this option to view your current billing details. Step 4. Edit your billing address. Look for the option to edit or update your billing address. Enter the new address information in the provided fields and ensure all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing address, find the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your billing address is updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Walmart. Regularly checking your account settings can help prevent any issues with future orders.